All right, so I want to do a real quick video on shaving once again. So this is going to be a short video on how to shave. If you can see, I don't really have much to shave here because just a couple days ago, I just cut my hair and, of course, I did my lineup around my beard as well. So this is going to be a real quick video. This might help people who want to learn how to shave, who want to start shaving, but usually have irritation when shaving. This video is going to keep you from being irritated. So like, subscribe this video, share it with your friends, and let's get into it.
Had to hit him with the elevate. Had to hit him with the. Had to hit him with the elevate. Had to hit him with the. Another plane, I need innovation. Another plane, I don't mean vacation. Another plane, I don't do the basic. Another plane, I don't need to chase it. Elevate.
So, first things first, we're going to shave today with a safety razor. This is a new safety razor I'm trying out right now. If you can see, it's kind of like half of a razor. So it only uses half the blade of a safety razor blade. So it only uses half of the blade. So I'm trying out with this razor right now. I'm trying two different blades to see the difference in two different brands of blade. So I'll be using in that razor. The first one is going to be the Parker brand blade, and then the second is the Feather. And typically with the Parker is a blade that's not as aggressive, but the Feather is one of the most aggressive blades that I've used. So it has a closer shave. All right, so that's the razor I'll be using. The shaving cream, of course, Shalice is heavily inspired. This is the whipped shaving cream. It has a Mahagony Spice scent to it. So if you know any of the other products that we use, our beard balm, beard oils with the Mahagony Spice scent, this is gonna be the same scent. So nice and creamy. As you can see, maybe it'll catch it. But really nice, creamy, easy to apply shaving cream. After the shave, after you rinse everything off and you're all clean, we're gonna use the bump fighter aftershave. If I can get some focus here. Maybe, there we go. So that's the aftershave. So real quick and easy, just two products and the tool to use. So let's get into it. Got some warm water, had the blade already in the water. Now I'm just gonna wet my face a little bit and apply the shaving cream. Just got me a little dip. You don't have to apply it very thick, but you can, of course. I always like to make sure whenever I'm applying it, I can see my beard line, because that's what I'm going up to. I'm just trying to get right close to the beard line. All right, so if you didn't catch it when I was talking about, what I was going to do, the main thing is that I just cut my hair and shaved 2 days ago. So if you know you get irritated very easily from shaving with a razor, don't go longer than 2 days. When you go longer than 2 days, the hair is already coming in thicker and you have more hair to trim or shave. If you shave every 2 days where it's not much hair there, you have less chance of irritation because the blade is going to go smoother over your skin, and you're not going to have any type of pulls and things that may happen when you have longer, thicker hair. So when you're learning how to shave, wait 2 days after you maybe went to the barbershop and got your hair done, and you got the shave done at the barbershop. Just as soon as you have those 2 days, go ahead and start shaving. That way you can practice without a lot of hair on your face. All right, so what I'm gonna do, since I showed you I have two blades to try, I'm going to do one blade on the my right side and one on my left side and see what I think is the difference. All right, so this is the Parker blade. Let's go to Parker on my left side. And this razor has a pivoting head on it. So it's pretty nice, you know, for somebody just looking for a really quick, easy shave. It allows you to apply pressure differently than with a standard safety blade. All right, so I'm going to go over this one more time really quick because I just always like to get that more than once. I just do. So I'm going to see how that shaving cream just whips right back up. So it was still a layer of shaving cream on my face. Now, it's not as though I was going with the blade directly on my face. Even though I was doing more than one pass, there was still shaving cream there. Even if you didn't see it, there's still a slickness to my face from that shaving cream. So I'm just going to go over it one more time with this Parker blade. Just right up to the line. And in doing that, you're going to look like you have a fresh lineup, you know, from the barbershop for a longer period of time, like your, you know, the haircut lasted. By doing that, you can stay away from the barbershop a little bit longer in between haircuts. You know, if you normally go back for a trim, you know, a lineup in between getting a full haircut, by doing this, you won't have to do that. All right, let's get the neck area. If you've seen my other videos, you know that your neck area hair can grow in different directions. I'm just gonna go up right now against the grain pretty much. Well, it's not really against my grain because my grain kind of goes up in this direction or to the side even. So, but this is not an aggressive blade. Using the safety razor, you're not getting a real close shave, so it's not really gonna make a big difference for me. I'm just gonna do that one pass. All right, so completed the shave with the Parker blade, and right along the line, I didn't get very close, but the line is still there. It's a nice solid line still, but above here, got a couple spots where it's not really a clean shave. I wasn't applying much pressure, but for the most part, I didn't go against the grain either. So I'm going against the grain with my finger and I can feel a lot of hair, but going down, of course, very smooth, non-irritated, of course. So that's the big thing. Using a Parker blade, a safety razor that's not really aggressive, you're not going to get the irritation because it's not going to be a very clean, a very close shave. And that's very good for a lot of people who are sensitive skin. You don't want that very close shave. You just want it to be nice and clean looking without the closeness and the irritation. So I just switched to the feather blade. So let's try it out on this side. I had to take a little break for a phone call, so let me wet this back up a little bit. Recording with your cell phone, you got interruptions sometimes, so it happens. All right, so let's see how this one goes. Again, try not to apply much pressure. And I just went against or to the side. Still very smooth. All So we're gonna go again. And this is, like I said, this pivoting head on here is very different than like my regular razor. There's no pivoting head on this safety razor. You can apply the pressure, you can feel exactly the pressure you're applying. But with a spring-loaded pivoting head, it's hard to kind of gauge the pressure to apply. All right, so what I'll say about this razor, other than I like it, especially around here, the Adam's apple, that pivoting head is really nice. All right, so I'm just gonna call that done. So thoughts on this razor, the pivoting head. I like the razor for just regular shaving. So it's, say for instance, if I did not have a beard. If I did not have a beard, this razor would be amazing because you can go and apply the pressure. You can go all the way down, all across the face, and it's very smooth, especially like this neck area. Not irritated at all. I can feel, you know, how close it is, but it's not like the closest shave, which I'm fine with. I prefer that. I don't want the closest shave because I know my skin can become irritated, and you know, irritation, you know, to your skin is not what you want, especially if you already know your sensitive skin. If you're prone to having razor bumps, you do not want a razor that's going to be aggressive and really close shaving. So for me, the razor is great. And again, if I was shaving my whole face, this would be a great addition, you know, to my shaving routine. I haven't used it enough to say I prefer it over my standard safety razor. I can't say that, but the pivoting head is nice. You can do a fast shave. You can shave faster with this probably than you would with the standard shave safety razor, just because you don't have to, you know, worry about your angles. You know, doing the 45 is going to automatically, with the pivoting head, it's going to get against your skin the way it should and create the angle on its own. So that is amazing. But I cannot get the line, like a detailed line. If I want to get really close and really sharp line, I don't feel like I can do that. I don't feel that this can do the same. Maybe it's because of the bar, you know, here at the bottom. You see how from the blade to the edge, maybe that's what it is. Because on my safety razor right here, the blade is like right up against. You see how close it is? It's right up against there. Oops, let me turn it around the right way. So the difference from the blade to the edge of the razor, that's the difference, I think. So that can be the difference. I'm not sure. I don't make the razors. But yeah, as a shaver, as a razor, just to shave, great job. So let me finish this up. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face off. And again, applying the aftershave. Bump Fighter Aftershave. Great product. Don't have any. If you do have irritation, if you don't have irritation, use this Bump Fighter Aftershave. Prevents bumps. You don't have to use it just on the day that you shave. You can use it any day after you wash your face and apply that to your face to help fight those bumps. All right, be right back. All right, so got this shaving cream rinsed off, as you can see, and it's still, like I said, it's definitely a nice clean shave. Both sides feel really good, no irritation. And by the way, if I haven't already said it, the shaving cream, after you're done and you rinse off, your skin is just smooth. I mean, it's like you just put a moisturizer on, you know, during your shave. It's that good. So check out the shaving cream if you haven't already. But now let's apply the Aftershave Bump Fighter. We're done. I mean, that's it. Of course, I'm gonna style my beard. I'm gonna jump in the shower, actually, you know, wash my face completely, or wash my beard. And after I get out the shower, after washing my face, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put this on again because I don't want to go without protecting my face. If you have bumps on the back of your neck from going to the barber, a lot of people have trouble with that. You can use this as well. So use the Bump Fighter wherever you need it, where you have an irritation. So, all right, check us out. Like, subscribe, and follow us on all social media as well. You can find us on Instagram. I'll have links below in the description. All right, have a great day.